In this video, we will grow coriander and spinach in a same pot. In other words, we can say more food in less space. Take a big container. 20 to 25 inch diameter pots are good for growing two crops. Make sure that the pot is at least 8 to 10 inches deep. Make some drainage holes at the bottom of the pot and cover them with small stones for better drainage. For the potting mix, we will take 60% normal garden soil and 40% organic compost. Addition of compost or manure will provide a steady supply of essential nutrients which promotes the vegetative growth. Fill the container with the potting mix. Press the growing media with your hand to remove any air gaps. With the help of a plastic strip, make a partition on the growing space. Always use good quality seeds to get better germination rate. Soak the seeds in normal water for at least 15 hours before sowing, as seeds soaked in water will germinate faster than the normal seeds. Sprinkle the soaked seeds on the surface of the potting mix. Make sure the seeds do not get overlapped or overcrowded. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of same potting soil. Gently firm the soil with your hands. Tag your seeds to avoid any confusion. Water in thoroughly. Keep the pot in full sunlight and make sure the soil remains little moist at all times during the germination stage. After 9 days,